Infinite wisdom and fun. ICBricks-2.0 Renewal and Upgrade. This is a professional robot teaching product developed for teenagers age 6. New ICBricks-2.0 Core Package. Fully upgraded functionality can quickly build various intelligent applications. Having super strong core control components. Servo motors have fast response, high precision, and large torque. Diverse application scenarios. The set also includes various types of sensors and actuators, doubling the fun. Independently developed software ICBricks support initial and advanced graphical programming to programming formats, landscape, and portrait. Intuitive and easy to learn. The main controller has program storage function, interactive download function through software programming. Explore more fun with ICBricks. Multiple control modes for you to choose from. Main controller with multiple sets of buttons can achieve direct control of robots. Multiple sets of sensors in the set can be switched freely. Realize mechanical control of robots. Innovative Bluetooth remote control mode. Pairing and connecting to sets of controllers. Pairing and connecting to sets of controllers. Complete more tasks. ICBricks self-developed graphical programming platform. No need to type code. Simply drag and drop to complete programming. Further stimulate children's car-changing thinking. In programming download mode, the main controller can be detached from software control. Independently execute program instructions. ICBricks with its exceptional scalability can complete various software and hardware interaction tasks with Scratch. More original course resources. Creating more possibilities in ICBricks Intelligent Classroom. Intelligence and fun creates a more interesting world of intelligent machinery.